Hi guys, welcome to EddieTuber. Today we're doing pizza muck. It's a faster way of doing pizza in 90 seconds. So here are the ingredients. Okay, so here is flour, okay, and then we have 1/4 baking powder, and then a pinch of salt, and then you must mix it, and then after you mix it you must add milk. And the oil. Now we must pick up the fork and agitate. You must even agitate very well. Actually, agitate makes sense with Spider-Man. Agitate, 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 agitate. Great. After you are done mixing, you can add your tomato sauce, but do not mix it, you must add it on top. After you do your layer of tomato sauce, then you must add some mozzarella cheese. Okay, after you put your cheese, you must add some pepperoni. Ooh, I want to take one. It's so delicious. Yum, yum, yum. When you are done, you can put some Italian seasoning. Now it's ready to bake for 90 seconds. Now we must put the pizza mug in the microwave for 90 seconds. Okay, stop. I think it's now ready. Oh, it's so delicious. It's so delicious. Now we must cool them for 2 minutes. And then we can eat it. Now it's the final thing, and now we must eat it and taste it. It's delicious. Oh, hey, there's a string. Oh, it's delicious. Okay guys, that was the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe EddieTuber. Stay positive. Bye!